All right, what's up guys? My name's Jake Howarth here. I'm a brown belt out of Ronin Training Center under Vitor Oliveira. We're gonna go through a series of techniques called Bijo Breakdown. We're gonna be focused on nogi techniques. A couple of my credentials, multiple time Pan bronze medalist. I medaled at bronze at the Worlds in 2021. Former collegiate wrestler, so let's take a look. All right, everybody. So I wanna look at a pretty basic closed guard break that I use a lot. It kind of takes the whole stepping up one leg at a time out of the equation. So what it's gonna look like here, we're in here in closed guard. Again, elbows are always in, never out. Hands are gonna be right underneath his rib cage. And I'm gonna think about leaning forward. I'm gonna pop up under my feet, but my knees are gonna bow out immediately. I'm gonna quickly switch to staggering him inward so that his butt is on top of him. So it's gonna look like this. Boom. If his legs are still locked, I start to posture up, pushing down on his knee, controlling his ankle, coming into my passing position. So let's look at that one more time. Here, elbows in, hands on the rib cage, leaning forward, popping up, knees in, pushing this down, controlling his ankle into a passing position.